I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make blocks in Excel. We will begin by navigating to the Insert tab on the ribbon. From there, you will select Shapes and choose a basic rectangle or square. This initial step is crucial for laying the foundation of your visual blocks. You can then draw your first block directly onto your spreadsheet, setting its initial dimensions and placement. This process is quite straightforward and forms the basis for all subsequent block creation. To draw your first block, go to the Insert tab at the top of your Excel window. Look for the Illustrations group and then click on Shapes. A drop-down menu will appear, offering many different categories of shapes. For simple blocks, choose a rectangle or a square from the Rectangles section. Once selected, your cursor will change to a crosshair. Click and drag on your worksheet to draw the shape to your preferred size and location. After drawing a block, you can easily customize its appearance. With the shape selected, the Shape Format tab will appear. Here, you can change the fill color, outline, and add effects like shadows. To duplicate a block, simply select it and press Ctrl+D on your keyboard, or use Copy and Paste. This allows you to create many identical blocks very quickly. You can also adjust the exact height and width using the size options in the Shape Format tab. Once you have several blocks, grouping them is incredibly useful for organization. Select multiple blocks by holding down the Shift key and clicking on each one. Then, right-click on any selected block and choose Group from the context menu. This combines them into a single object, allowing you to move, resize, or rotate them all at once. You can also use the Align tools in the Shape Format tab to perfectly arrange your group blocks, creating a neat and professional layout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.